Nice job.
All right, well done.
Nice job. You're the best at this game. Better than
Fantastic.
me. Hi, App Challengers. My name is Medha Gupta, and I'm a former Congressional App Challenge winner and a current Alumni Advisory Board member. Today, I'm going to be speaking with Congresswoman Stephanie Bice of Oklahoma's 5th District. Congresswoman Bice is a chairwoman on the House Administration Subcommittee on Modernization. I'm so excited to be speaking with Congresswoman Bice on the importance of STEM education, the influence of the Congressional App Challenge, and I might even teach her how to code. Let's go meet the Congresswoman. Some of the alumni at the Congressional App Challenge and I have worked together to build a game, but it's not finished yet.
Okay.
Do you want to help us?
I think I should.
Amazing. Well, let's just get right into it.
Okay.
So basically, there's this game that we built that's supposed to represent passing a bill at Congress. It's a little bit fast, so it's hard to jump over, but the idea is that you can press the space bar and this bill will jump over some obstacles.
Uh-oh, okay.
Kind of difficult, though.
It is kind of difficult.
Not a touch screen. So
Oh, it's not?
use the
Okay.
cursor.
Sorry.
No, all good.
Okay, here we go.
It's not even that pretty right now. I think we can make it a little bit
It's
prettier.
it's very basic, right?
Yeah, it's hard to see.
I don't think mine's working. I think it's
So
broken.
we have to press the
Oh, the
space bar?
space. I
Yeah.
was pressing this one. That's why I'm okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's slow it down and also make it look a little bit prettier.
Okay,
So it's
let's do it.
As you know, CSS changed the aesthetic.
Yes.
It makes it look prettier.
Yes.
Lets us customize it.
Okay.
So let's change the background color of the board. And so where it says blue, let's change it to a nicer color.
Okay.
So if you go to line 33, you can type over where it says blue and type white smoke instead.
You got it. Okay.
And then let's end it with a semicolon.
Got it.
So it tells the computer that that's the end of our sentence, like
Okay.
punctuation, and hit Command S to save.
Okay.
Perfect. And let's press OK and see if it's changing color.
Hey.
It's looking
there
nicer.
we go.
It's looking nice.
All right. I like that.
Perfect. It's still hard, right?
It's still hard.
It's still
It's
hard.
pretty fast.
It's pretty fast. So let's go to the JavaScript.
Okay.
See what we can do to change the velocity along the x-axis. So here on the JavaScript, right now, looking at the velocity along the x-axis, and that's the speed that it goes to the right, it's at -20, which is pretty fast.
Yeah.
Especially because it's below 0. So let's try -8.
All right.
Make it a little bit faster, closer to 0.
it.
Perfect. And Command S again. Perfect. Here we go. Here we go. You're getting it.
There we go.
3. You're about to break the high score. Nice job.
All right, well done.
Nice job. You're the best at this game. Better than
Fantastic.
me. My high score was 400 something. That's incredible. Well, thank you so much for helping me code this game.
You're welcome.
So you said you've done technology before, you've done some coding before. Can you talk a little bit about some of the importance of technology and the Congressional App Challenge in your district?
Sure. I think technology right now is crucial when you are in high school and or college. A lot of your classes revolve around technology, regardless of what your major may be. And so understanding a little bit about, how to code, what the principles are, what the languages are, I think really helps those individuals that may want to participate in the App Challenge at some point in the future.
Amazing. And can you talk about what's your favorite part of the App Challenge?
Well, I think it's incredible the ideas that young people come up with. In the past, I had a student that decided that they wanted to solve the dreaded carpool line situation. When you're in middle school or high school and your parents have to pull into carpool line and the teachers are screaming, young students' names, trying to get them wrangled in cars. The student actually created an app that would streamline that process. So notified the teacher when the parent was actually in line to be able to put the kids in the car. And so you just get these really phenomenal ideas that do solve some real problems.
What an incredible app. I definitely would have needed that when I was younger. And so can you talk us through what's something that you think the American people should know about STEM education, or just the way that you talk about coding and technology here in Washington, D.C.?
There's a lot of emphasis right now on STEM. There's so many different areas that young people are focused on, whether it be the science piece, but certainly from a technology standpoint. I happen to be the chairwoman of the House Administration Subcommittee on Modernization, and that's really a focus for us, is looking at AI, looking at improving functionality of Congress. How does it work for the American people? And so it's things like creating an app or a program that will track flag status, meaning when a constituent wants a flag that's flown over the Capitol, they place that order, they can actually see step by step, kind of like a Domino's pizza app, how it actually, what step it's in before it gets to their doorstep. So things like that can actually improve Congress's ability to serve the American people.
That's absolutely incredible. Well, thank you so much for everything you've done with the app challenge, and thank you so much for helping us code this game. Really appreciate it.